Alright, hi everyone, this is Mark of Tech Pinas. Join me in my quick unboxing and initial setup of the all-new OPPO A7 Android smartphone, which is now available here in the Philippines for 13,890 pesos. So this is currently one of their more popular mid-range offerings, and it's now a bestseller thanks to its attractive design and decent set of technical specifications. Alright, so let's move forward with the unboxing. First, I want to show you the packaging. So here's how it looks. So as you can see, it looks a lot like the iPhone box. It's just a plain white box with the image of the handset on top, and you have the OPPO branding here and the name of the handset. Nothing on this side but the OPPO logo. Same as on this panel, we see the model of the handset. So it's the OPPO A7 glaring gold with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage. Okay, let's lift the cover and check out what's inside. So as you can see, the phone is protected by this paper sleeve or paper carton sleeve during shipment. It actually has some stuff inside it. Alright, so this is the quick guide or the user manual. If you have time, read it. But if you don't, just skip it and use the phone immediately. I think it's nice that OPPO had included this soft shell case in the package, so you won't have to buy one separately. So as you can see, it has holes and grooves for the fingerprint scanner as well as the dual camera module at the back. So these are for the volume buttons and the power button. Okay, let's unravel this, and here we see the pin for ejecting the SIM card tray. Okay, so now we see the phone itself, and it's protected by this translucent plastic cover. Let's take it out. Remove the cover by lifting this. And there you go. That's the OPPO A7 glaring gold. I think it looks very classy. Alright, so I'll put it down first while we take a look at the other stuff inside the box. Okay, so my review unit only has 2 accessories included with it. This is the travel charger, and this one has a fairly fast 2A output. It's the size. You are going to need this cable for charging it and for transferring data to a computer. Alright, so this is the complete OPPO A7 retail package here in the Philippines, or at least it's what's inside my review unit. Again, we have the user manual or the quick guide, the soft gel case, the pin for opening the SIM card tray, the travel charger, the micro USB 2.0 to USB cable, and the unit itself. Alright, so before I show you the design of the phone, let's remove the sticker first. This is how the back panel of the phone looks. Again, what I have here is the glaring gold version. Okay, so we have here the dual rear camera module made up of a 13 megapixel primary shooter plus a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Here we have the fingerprint scanner, and we have the OPPO logo near the middle. So I want to show you the pattern that's underneath the glass face. I don't know if you can see it, but it has thin vertical lines. which I think is very classy. It actually kind of gleams when light hits it in various angles. Now, I don't know about you, but I actually prefer this look versus that of the OPPO A7, but that's just me. Okay, so before I turn on the phone, let's take a look at the sides. On the left panel, we have the SIM card tray and the volume buttons. On the right panel, we have the power button. Nothing on top. And at the bottom, we have the loudspeaker, the micro USB 2.0 port, the microphone, and the 3.5mm audio jack. Now we're ready to turn on our OPPO A7. Let's click on the power button. You have the OPPO logo, powered by Android. Okay, well, let's choose a language. So it's English, United States. Regional options, scroll down to the Philippines. There. Let's connect to our Wi-Fi network. Next. Okay, we have the terms of use. So if you have time, read the user agreement. Surprisingly short, right? So also the privacy policy. This one is kind of long. So if you've read it, just stick on this box and continue. For accessing. Okay, now we have to sign into our Google account for accessing Google applications, including Google Play Store. Okay, once logged in, just agree to the terms of use. So here, click Don't Restore. Just accept. Okay, so one of the best things about this phone is that it has multiple security and privacy features, such as a fingerprint scanner and also face unlock and also passcode, which is already familiar to most of us. So we can set that up. Try to put in a passcode here. Okay, so I'll just try to enroll my facial info. So all I have to do is to hold the phone. OPPO has a feature that automatically enables face unlock as soon as you raise the device, so you won't have to click on any button. So we can turn that on. Okay, so let's try adding a fingerprint. So I've shown you the location of the fingerprint scanner, so all you have to do is to tap on it using the finger that you want to enroll multiple times, making sure that all of the parts of your fingerprint touch it. Okay. One more time. And we're done. Just click continue. Okay, we can also turn on Wi-Fi Assistant here, which intelligently selects and connects to the best Wi-Fi network by detecting the quality of the Wi-Fi network. So you can turn that on. And we can also auto switch to cellular in case the Wi-Fi signal is poor, so I won't turn that on. Here you can choose when you want to get the software updates, so you can auto update overnight. So personally, I want to check it manually, so I'll just disable this. Continue. So here we have the option of importing data from our older phone, but I want to set this up as a new OPPO phone. And we're done. And there you have it. That's the OPPO A7. Alright, so let me just give a quick technical specifications rundown of the OPPO A7 Android smartphone. So what we have here is a very large 6.2-inch HD Plus IPS display with 19:9 aspect ratio. And above that, we have a water drop notch, which houses a 16 megapixel front-facing camera. This phone is powered by a 1.8 GHz Octa Core Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 processor that's complemented by 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage. One of the special features of the OPPO A7 is its fairly large 4,320 mAh battery pack, which delivers extended uptime with regular use. So if you hate always charging your phone to an electrical outlet or a power bank, you will surely love this model. Okay, so that's it for now. I'll be taking this phone out for a spin, especially its cameras. I'll be checking how good they are, and I'll come back with my full review. Okay? Thumbs up.